Mario works in a market. His rate of pay is $10 per hour. Complete this table to show what he should receive for different numbers of hours worked. So if he doesn't work any hours, clearly he's not going to get paid at all. $10 per hour, so if he works 1 hour, he's going to get $10. 2 hours, $20, $30, $40, $50. He should get $100 for 10 hours pay, and there's a 15 actually that's just gone off the edge here. That would be 150. 100 needs to look a bit more like 100. Write a rule in words which relates the number of hours worked to the pay in dollars. So his pay is going to be 10 times the hours, and not plus anything. It's just going to be exactly that, 10 times the hours. Now rewrite your rule using the symbols P and H. So that's just going to be P is 10H. And what part of the rule shows Mario's rate of pay? Well, that's going to be the 10. Luigi works in a fast food outlet. His rate of pay is $5 per hour. Complete this table to show what he should receive for different numbers of hours worked. He's going to get nothing for no hours, and then 1 hour would give him 5, 2 hours 10, 15, 20, 25. That should be $50, and the 15 off the edge here would be $75. So his pay would be equal to 5 times the hours worked. And in symbols, that's P equals 5H. And it's the 5 here that shows the pay rate. A graph is a useful way to compare rates of pay. So we're going to look first of all at Mario's pay. Now his pay was equal to 10H. And we know when he doesn't work any hours, he doesn't get paid at all. When he worked 10 hours, he got paid $100. So that means we can put his line on the graph just here. And I'm going to label that as Mario. Then we want to do the same for Luigi. Now his was P was equal to 5H. So once again, no hours means no pay. 10 hours meant $50. So that's a line like so. And I'm going to label this one as Luigi. In what ways are the graphs for Mario and Luigi different? Well, basically it's the steepness. Mario's line is much steeper than Luigi's line. In what ways are the graphs for Mario and Luigi the same? Well, they are both straight lines. Also, they both go through the origin. If Luigi gets a job which pays $8 per hour, write a rule in symbols which relates the number of dollars earned with the numbers of hours worked. We could do a table to work this out, but from what we've done so far, we should be able to see that that's that. What do we think the new graph would look like? Well, I think it's going to be somewhere in between these, and we don't have to really just think about that. We could actually draw it on. So once again, if he doesn't work any hours, he's not going to get any pay. So that's going to go through the origin again. And for 10 hours, he'd get $80. So 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's going to go through here. And so that would go through there. And this is Luigi new. That's his new line. And we can see it is between the other two. So it's steeper than the original one, but not as steep as Mario's.